Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you all how to make hair growth treatment oil. Yes, I call it hair growth treatment oil because this oil don't only grow your hair, it also treats your hair and it also stimulates your scalp and promotes healthy hair. Healthy hair is what we all need because when your hair is healthy, it is great and it grows longer, it grows to whatever you want it to go to. When your hair is healthy, it is very great, guys. So we are only going to be using just two ingredients. These two powerful ingredients which we'll be using is so great, and this is the king of all hair treatment. It is your crown glory, which is rosemary and mint. Like I've talked about rosemary leaves and mint leaf. I've used it on some of my hair growth DIY recipes on my channel. You can check them out, guys. This rosemary and mint is so great to grow your hair and also serves as a treatment to your scalp and promote healthy hair. So we are going to be needing rosemary. I will go ahead and pluck out the leaves. As you guys can see, this smells so great. It smells amazing. Like this two combination is so powerful, guys. Don't estimate the power of these two, guys. It is so powerful. This is all what you need: rosemary leaf and mint leaf, guys. So guys, you are going to be plucking at this leaf. You can leave it like that, or I'm just going to be plucking it out and rinsing it. Like it is clean already, but I just want to give it another good rinse, and then I'm going to go ahead to dry it up. So guys, you can either use a fresh leaf or dried leaf. So it is not compulsory to use only fresh leaf. If you have the dried rosemary and dried mint, you can likewise use that because both works fine. Okay, so guys, before we continue, I will go ahead and sterilize my jar. Sterilizing your jar is so great, and this is the jar that I will be using. I'll go ahead to wash it up and then pour in my boiling water. So I went ahead to boil in water and then I will pour it into the jar and leave it for some minutes and then rinse it and let it air dry. So you have to make sure to dry up your jar completely before using your jar. So right now I will clean up my leaf because I went ahead to rinse it, so there is water in it. I don't want to put this water directly in, so I will go ahead to tap off the excess water in my leaves and then dry it up with a tissue, or you can put this aside for some few seconds so that some fresh air can enter. Because I went ahead to rinse it, I don't want the water in the leaf to go into my jar because it is going to make the oil spoil easily and create mold. So I don't know if you guys are understanding me right now, but yeah, I'm going to go ahead to tap it up. So right now my leaves are dried and there's no water in it. So if you rinse your fresh leaf, make sure to allow it to dry completely before putting it into the jar. So guys, I went ahead to put it in the jar right now so you guys can see, and then I'm going to be filling this up with coconut oil, guys. So you can use any oil of your choice. So I prefer coconut oil, so I'm going to be putting in my coconut oil, and this is the last coconut oil that I have, and this is not going to be enough. I'm going to complete it by adding in my olive oil. So I went ahead to top it with my olive oil, and then this is it, guys. As you guys can see, depending on the size of your jar, so I'm going to be putting every of the leaf which actually contains. I will just use my spoon to give it a stir, and yeah, this is it, guys. It smells great already. This oil is going to work well for your hair, for any hair type, guys. This meat, so I'm going to be giving you guys some benefits of meat. Meat stimulates your senses, your circulation, your hair follicles. It's like a boost of energy which dull hair really responds to. So it also helps to maintain natural pH of your scalp, which control excessive oil production. Regular oil treatment, especially with mint, guys, keep the scalp happy. So guys, this is it. I'm going to give it a stir and then cover it up and shake it up, and I will be leaving this on my cabinet for 2 weeks. So depending on the time that you have, you can actually do a double boiler method, but I choose to keep this for 2 weeks because I have oil at hand that I'm using. I'm not in a rush, so I'm going to be keeping this for 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks this oil will be great and it will smell nice and it is going to change color. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like after 2 weeks, guys. Almost 2 weeks, guys, and this is what our oil is looking like right now. So you will make sure to be shaking your oil always, because this is going to help release out the essential oils that are contained in this rosemary and mint. Okay, you have to make sure to be shaking it often and keep it in a warm spot for 2 weeks. And this is almost 2 weeks, guys. Our oil look like it has released all the essential benefits in this leaf, guys. Can you see the color, the way the leaves are now looking inside? Like, this is so creamy, shiny, and so everything good, guys. So I'll go ahead and strain up my oil right now, and this is what it looks like. This is what our oil looks like, and we are finally here, guys. So our hair growth treatment oil is made. You can actually use this oil in so many ways, like I cannot even mention the ways that you can use this oil, such as hot oil treatment. You can use this oil to massage your scalp, leave it for 20 or 30 minutes and then rinse it off. You can leave this oil on your hair overnight, use it as a scalp treatment, making sure to pay attention to your scalp and onto the roots of your hair, the ends of your hair, massaging everything into your hair with this oil, guys. So I went ahead to put in my essential oil, and the essential oil that I used was lavender. You can use any other essential oil of your choice, such as peppermint, rosemary, any other essential oil. You can also add in vitamin E oil, which is also going to make the oil last long, and this oil is going to last for at least 6 months to 1 year. Like, it is going to last long because there is no water in it, and the oil is so great. You can use it in so many ways. This is my hair right here, and I'm just going to be using it as a scalp treatment because my scalp is very dry right now, and I want to make a scalp treatment with this oil by massaging it into my scalp and leaving it overnight. You can use it as an auto oil treatment, scalp treatment, leaving it overnight, or any other day you want to make your hair. You can apply this to your root, to your scalp as a scalp treatment to prevent dandruff, to make your scalp healthy. And if your scalp is healthy, it's going to promote hair growth, and it's going to make, like, all that good stuff is in this oil, and all the essential benefits like that this oil carries, guys. So after treating my scalp with this oil, I'll go ahead to leave it in for some days or overnight, depending on what my hair needs. So guys, you can use this oil in so many ways. So if you have depending on your hair type, guys, you can use a small amount if your hair is straight, fine, and so that your this oil will not weigh down your hair. So just use it depending on the type of your hair, guys. Use this oil according to your hair needs. There are so many ways that you can use this oil that I cannot even mention. You can use this oil, add it to whenever you want to make your hair mask or hair condition that needs oil. You can add it to it. Like the rosemary are the oldest and most respected herbs because of its antibacterial properties. It also cleans the hair follicles, which is thought to help hair grow. So guys, so many benefits in this oil, guys. You don't have to wash this oil out of your hair anytime you use it, okay? You can use it as a sealant, you can use it as a leave-in oil after moisturizing your hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, share this video, like this video, turn on the post notification when you subscribe so that when I upload a video, you will not miss it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye.